This is coconut for today's recipe or for today's video, and today's video is how to make your manhood to last longer. How to make your manhood to last longer. That is what we are going to talk about in today's video, with some natural fruits and ingredients that God gave us. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, once again, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to be a member of this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. I want to say once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you are watching me. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all my subscribers. I promise that I will never disappoint each and every one of you out there. But believe me that any video that I am producing or releasing on this channel is for the benefit of everybody. And what I am giving you people is tested and trusted. Adopt natural remedy in everything you are doing. Natural remedy is the best to make your body to be in a better state of health. So adopt natural remedy to be the best you want in life. Let's proceed. How are you going to make your manhood to last longer? It is very simple. With the recipe that I am going to teach you today, you are going to make it. Just believe me. Once you can take this recipe according to my direction, your manhood will stand for 40 good minutes without falling, and it will help it to last longer. So how are you going to go with this recipe? Number one is this coconut. Very, very important. Number two is date nut or dibino nut. Very important. Number three is tiger nuts. Very important. Then another two important ingredients that you need on this recipe is honey. This is what I used to buy my own. The content is honey, but this is not the right container for honey. The last one is milk. Make any milk of your choice, but let there be milk. So how are you going to carry out this recipe? One, take this coconut, break it into pieces. After breaking, take the inner contents and cut it into pieces. You can even add the water during blending. The water of this coconut, it is also important, but take the inner contents, break it into pieces. As you break this coconut, take the inner content, cut it into pieces so that it can easily be blended. The same thing goes with this date nuts. Break it into pieces and remove the solid seed inside. Put it in a blender too. Then this tiger nut, as many as you can, something that is up to a cup, a full cup of this tiger nut. Take it and add it. Then blend this tray. Blend this tray. Blend it very well and add water depending the quantity you want to get. But make sure that you get a quantity that will serve you for good 7 good working days. A quantity that will serve you for good 7 working days. Then, after you might have finished blending, filter it. Just filter it and throw away off the chaff. That is just the final. Do not cook. Do not boil. This is natural remedy and natural recipe. Then you can store it in a refrigerator for a week for preservation. Then how are you going to take it, or the direction to take this? Anytime you want to take this, take 1 teaspoonful of this honey and put it in a cup, and take half cup of this juice and a milk. Add a milk. That's all. Do it for complete good 7 working days. It will boost up your immune system and it will help your manhood to last longer. This recipe is powerful. It is the best way to make your manhood last longer. Just do as I said. Peel this date nut and remove the seed. Add a cup of this tiger nuts. Then add this coconut. After you might have break it and take the inner contents. Blend this tray. Filter it and don't boil. Don't heat it. It is a natural remedy. So anytime you want to take it, add 1 teaspoonful of this honey and add a milk. Take it for good 7 working days. If you want, you can take it morning and night, but take it for good 7 working days. It will help your manhood to last long. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you get value from this video. Like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Put your comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.